Hi, I'm Megan. Here are my must-have items for my wedding day. My fiance and I met through mutual friends. It was love at first sight. He drove 9 hours to Pennsylvania to ask for my parents' permission. I had a feeling, but when it happened, I was still surprised. I'm so excited. So one of the things that I'm excited to wear on my wedding day is this robe when I'm getting my hair and makeup done and throughout the day until I get to put my dress on. It's monogrammable and it's reversible. The day's planned, everything's gonna go great, but in case it doesn't, I have my emergency kit. Everything you can think of, Band-Aids, safety pins, toothpaste. Oh my goodness. I am packing my large blush and brush for my wedding day because it holds all my brushes and makeup that I'll need for touch-ups throughout the day, and this will fit perfectly into my grand tote with my shoes and my reversible robe. I don't want it to rain on my wedding day, but I hear it's good luck. I am looking so forward to our honeymoon at the beach, so I will be carrying this Drawstring Family Tote. It's water repellent and has this drawstring top that you can sift out the sand. I am going to pack my favorite Vera swimsuit in Superbloom and a cute Coverup to go on top, our amazing Vera flip-flops, and of course, you need his and hers beach towels. Let's go to the beach. I don't plan on being a bridezilla, but if I am, it will be for all the pictures. If they don't go right, we're gonna take them over and over again. I think it will be my future husband as I'm walking down the aisle. Diamonds, because diamonds are a girl's best friend. I am all about the name change because it's only changing 4 letters from Hart to Reinhardt. I prefer a tropical honeymoon because I can't wait to lay on the beach and do nothing after the wedding. I am excited for the end of the wedding, yes. And those are my favorite items for my wedding day.